At the end of the day, the commanders had a pistol duel. Enemy commands on the left running up there, and our commanders on the right.
Get some cover, Perry!
Get cover! Come on, Perry!
Oh.
Here's the enemy commander, Tabo, coming to raise the flag to signify him winning the pistol round against our commander.
Who are we? 506! 506!
How does it feel?
Oh, fuck, dude. I'm getting too old for this shit.
I hear you. Good job, though. Good game.
Pistol work all right?
I don't know, ask him.
Pistol work all right?
Mine did.
Yeah! Woo!
3 cheers for the green team for putting up a great fight.
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Bastards.
Good game, bud.